All right, geeking out today. I got a crucial 64 gigabyte RAM kit that I got off Amazon, and I'm gonna be upgrading my Dell XPS 17 9720. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it gives you 2 RAM slots. So it'll be my first time doing this. So I've YouTubed it, and I'm gonna try and tackle it myself. So before I start, I also order toolkit from Amazon. You gotta have the proper tools for the job. So here we go. See if we can upgrade this here. This RAM on Amazon was like 160, and this toolkit was like 18 or 20 bucks. So like a good deal. But yeah, try to make this faster because I'll be editing like in 4K, doing 4K video, like on YouTube and whatnot. So and social media. So here we go. All right, the first thing I did was make sure the computer is shut off. Uh, shut down. No restart, nothing like that. Completely shut down. So I'm gonna undo the screws here and open her up. But yeah, make sure your computer's shut down. And then once we get inside, we're gonna unplug the battery before we do anything else. In the kit, I use, let's see if we can, a T5. If you can pick up on that. That's the bit I use to undo the screws here. Now I got all the screws removed. Some of them got Loctite on them. They were easy to come out, so I guess this laptop's been open before. So I'm gonna use this guitar pick kind of thing, plastic, and go around and kind of pry up the cover. Man, I ain't gonna lie, that was tough to get into this laptop. I used all these little picks, guitar picks and whatnot. That was tough. Like just to pry it, keep going around and prying it up around the corners. Wow. Now I gotta unplug the battery. Got the battery unplugged right here. So now we're gonna replace these RAM here. Okay, got the RAM inserted in. So there's my old RAM that came with the laptop. I'm gonna plug the battery back in, put the case back on, and then fire it up. Okay, got my screws in the laptop here. Gonna flip it back over and fire it up. This toolkit came in handy. You can't do this type of installation without this laptop toolkit. I will post a link in the description box down below. You can click it and to go on Amazon. It says 20 bucks, but yeah, you can't do this without that. The only time I used metal was for the screws, but everything else was plastic. And on the battery, it had like a little thing to kind of unhook it. So I'm gonna fire it up. And take out my tools here. Put my tools away. Like I said, a T5 is the one I used to undo the screws of the Dell laptop. T5. So I'm so happy and proud of this kit, y'all. Anyway, time of reckoning. Time to fire this up. Go from there. We'll see what's up. All right, something I noticed with this here is like I open up program, adding the RAM. Look how fast that opened up. I mean, I don't know if that has to do with the RAM, but man, it's like it's on steroids or something. Like it just opened it up like just real fast. Uh Good gosh. Look how quick that is. Like I said, I'll give I'll give a week review on this here, a follow-up video, but so far, man, that thing is quick, and this is 4K. I mean, like I said, I don't know if that has to do with the RAM. You know, I'm not that technical, that geeky, but it's just so quick from just opening up YouTube and stuff like that. So, but I know with the increased RAM, you can open up multiple programs and it, you know, just be kind of flawless. But wow, impressed so far, y'all. Impressed.